In a world where time is precious and healthy eating is a priority, finding the right kitchen appliance can be a game changer. This Deime Air Fryer 6.2 quart is designed to make your life easier, healthier, and more enjoyable. This large-capacity, multifunctional air fryer combines convenience with advanced cooking technology, ensuring that you get delicious, crispy meals with minimal effort. Let's dive into an in-depth review of the Deime Air Fryer, covering its features, performance, and why it could be the next must-have addition to your kitchen. The first thing that stands out about the Deime Air Fryer is its modern, sleek design. 6.2 quart capacity offers ample space, allowing you to prepare meals for 2 to 5 people in one go. Whether you're cooking for a small family or hosting a dinner for friends, the Deime Air Fryer is up to the task. Unlike some of its round competitors, the square basket design optimizes space, fitting more food without compromising on quality. This means you can fit a 4 to 6 pound chicken, a pizza, chicken wings, steaks, or even a generous helping of fries without worrying about overcrowding. The non-stick basket is not only easy to clean, but also durable, making it perfect for everyday use. The removable non-stick rack allows for better air circulation, ensuring that your food comes out crispy and tender every time. No more soggy fries or unevenly cooked chicken. The Deime Air Fryer delivers consistent results. One of the standout features of the Deime Air Fryer is its versatility. This appliance is more than just an air fryer. It's a multitasking powerhouse that can replace several of your existing kitchen gadgets. With 10 preset cooking programs, you can prepare a variety of dishes with just one touch. Whether you're in the mood for crispy fries, roast chicken, pizza, or even dried fruit, the Deime Air Fryer has you covered. The easy-to-use LED touchscreen simplifies your cooking experience. Just select the desired preset, and the air fryer takes care of the rest. If you prefer more control over your cooking, you can manually adjust the temperature and time to suit your personal preferences. This makes the Deime Air Fryer perfect for both novice cooks and experienced chefs. One of the main reasons people opt for an air fryer is the health benefit. The Deime Air Fryer allows you to enjoy your favorite fried foods with up to 90% less fat compared to traditional frying methods. Its advanced 360-degree hot air circulation technology ensures that your food is evenly cooked, giving you that perfect golden finish without the need for excessive oil. This means you can indulge in crispy chicken wings, fries, and more without the guilt. For health-conscious individuals or those on a diet, the Deime Air Fryer is a fantastic option. You can make low-fat, delicious meals that taste as good as their deep-fried counterpart. Whether you're cooking for yourself or your family, this air fryer helps you maintain a balanced diet without sacrificing flavor. In addition to its versatility, the Deime Air Fryer is packed with features that make cooking more convenient. The Deime Air Fryer is also equipped with a 1500 watts power system, allowing for quick preheating. From frozen to crispy in minutes, this air fryer makes meal prep a breeze, especially on busy weeknights. It's perfect for those days when you need to get dinner on the table fast but don't want to compromise on quality. Nobody enjoys cleaning up after cooking, but the Deime Air Fryer makes it easy. The non-stick basket and removable rack are dishwasher safe, so you can simply pop them in the dishwasher after use. The BPA-free construction ensures that all food contact parts are safe, and the durable materials mean that your air fryer will last for years to come. For those who prefer hand washing, the non-stick surface makes cleanup a breeze. Simply wipe down the basket and rack with a sponge, and you're done. The Deime Air Fryer's hassle-free cleanup is one of its major selling points, especially for those with busy lifestyles. The Deime Air Fryer's sleek, modern design isn't just for show, it's also practical. Its compact size makes it a great addition to any kitchen, especially if you're short on counter space. It's perfect for apartments, dorms, or even RVs, making it a versatile appliance for anyone on the go. 6.2 quart capacity is ideal for small families or couples, allowing you to cook a variety of dishes without taking up too much space. Its lightweight design means that you can easily move it around your kitchen or store it away when not in use. Despite its compact size, the Deime Air Fryer doesn't compromise on performance, delivering delicious, evenly cooked meals every time. Why the Deime Air Fryer is a must-have. If you're looking for an appliance that combines convenience, versatility, and healthy cooking, the Deime Air Fryer 6.2 quart is an excellent choice. Its multifunctional capabilities allow you to replace several kitchen gadgets with one, saving you both time and counter space. The large capacity is perfect for families, and the easy-to-use LED touchscreen makes cooking a breeze. With its advanced air circulation technology, the Deime Air Fryer delivers crispy, tender meals with minimal oil, making it a healthier alternative to traditional frying method. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a novice cook, this air fryer is a fantastic addition to your kitchen. If you're ready to upgrade your cooking experience and enjoy healthier, tastier meals, the Deime Air Fryer 6.2 quart is a must-have. Its sleek design, multifunctional capabilities, and ease of use make it a standout appliance that will quickly become your go-to for meal prep. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.